Oregon's exploding whale, 1970. Blubber goes boom in November 1970. Authorities in Florence, Oregon faced a whale of a problem. Literally. A 45-foot, 8-ton sperm whale carcass had washed up and begun rotting on the beach. Lacking experience in whale disposal, someone decided to blow it up with dynamite and let seagulls clean up the pieces. Spoiler, it did not go as planned. The blast sent a 100-foot geyser of blood, blubber, and sand into the sky. It was like a blubber snowstorm, recalled reporter Paul Linman of the raining flesh chunks. Huge hunks of whale meat fell from the heavens, one crushing the roof of a car a quarter-mile away. Spectators were forced to flee as stinky blubber rain pelted down. Miraculously, no one was hurt except everyone's dignity. And one poor Oldsmobile. The infamous exploding whale became a legendary news story and a case study in over-the-top problem-solving. Oregon quickly changed policy. Now beached whales are buried instead of blown up. This fiasco illustrates that sometimes the cure can be far messier than the problem.